Hi, my name is Branson Gustafson. I'm the producer for this Game On, and producer does a lot of things. Basically, I make sure we have all the pieces for the puzzle. I make sure we have players, I make sure we have controllers, consoles, talent that you need for either if you're having a host or anything like that. Also make sure that we have crew to man all the cameras and things like that, and I try and make sure things get smoothly finished out.
Hi there, my name is Mason Jennings. I'm the TD for today's Game On. So the first thing about a Game On is you have to select your key first. So what you do is you take your key, then you select the source for it. Next up, you select your key, then you set your DVE for it by hitting the DVE on or off. If you want it to be on, then you'll be able to use the little joystick to put it where you want it, preferably in the corner, and twist it to change the size of the DVE. Now, next up, all you have to do is make the border. So down the little control pad where you found your DVE controls, just hit border and play with the little knobs near the joystick.
Hi, my name is Connor, and I'm the engineer in today's Game On. Being an engineer means you have to set up the TV, and part of doing that is using a scan converter, which I have conveniently in my back pocket. First step is we want to plug in our game console either using the yellow, white, and red RCA inputs or HDMI input. After you have your game console plugged in, HDMI out can be plugged in straight into the TV, along with an SDI out cord that can go straight to the B-Pix. And one last thing, don't forget to plug in power to the scan converter so it actually converts.
Well, I hope this tutorial was informative and answered any questions you had on setting up a Game On. We'll see you next time.